They say God doesn't speak like he used to. But in a forgotten monastery carved into the cliffs of the old world, a monk spent 27 years in silence. No speaking, no writing, only prayer, only listening. When the other monks passed him in the corridors, they would only nod. No one ever heard his voice. But one night, as the wind howled through the stone halls, a young novitiate found the monk kneeling, tears streaming down his face. He whispered 4 words. He finally spoke back. Not every miracle makes a sound.